Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Mialing channel. Today's weather is wonderful. Let's have a mountain Tabata workout. Let's go. Tabata is a high-intensity workout. Every day before breakfast, you do 4 minutes Tabata workout. You can lose tons of fat. Let's try it. Are you hungry now? Perfect. After finishing this only 4 minutes Tabata workout, you can have your wonderful, healthy breakfast. Now, let's start it.
Today's Tabata workout is 20 seconds exercise and 10 seconds rest. The first one, we're gonna go do high knees. Yes. Okay, now you run, try your best. As fast as you can. You can also use your hands to touch your knees. Use your core power. Yes. Run faster. Okay, now rest. Next one, we're gonna go do mountain climbers. 3, 2, 1, go. It's a bit like high knees, but we will use more upper body strength and your core power. Still the same, run as fast as you can. Run, run, run. Yeah. Try your best. Okay, now we just go to next one. Plank jacks. This one combine your abs and cardio. Okay, put your hands on the ground. Make your upper body stable. Okay, your lower body just run and jump. Yeah, open, close, open, close. Make your body like a plank, stable. Okay, don't forget to breathe. Yeah, rest. What is next one? The next one we're gonna do squat jumps. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. If you know how to squat, do it as deep as you can. Try to make your knee direction same as your toes. Yeah. Then you can jump higher and faster. Don't stop. Yeah. Now, okay. Okay, now we already finished 4 movements. Let's repeat it. Total 8 sets. Go. The first one, still the high knees. Let's run. You already know this exercise, how to do it. So trust yourself. Do it quicker. After this, you can have your beautiful breakfast. Yeah, only 2 minutes left. Rest. Next one, mountain climber again. Ready, go. Yeah, still the same. Right now, I think you already breathe very harsh, but it's good for you. Don't hold your breath. Breathe more. You need more air. Try your best. Run, run, run. Okay, rest. Next one is, I think you already forgot because you cannot use your brain, I think. Don't worry, follow me. Okay, jump squats. I know I changed the consequence, but it doesn't matter. You can plan your exercise according to your situation. Okay, squat. Okay, so the last one is plank jacks. Yeah. One last 20 seconds. Let's do it. Jump. Open, close, open, close. Okay, don't forget to breathe. It's a very efficient workout, only 4 minutes. I think you can do 3 times a day. Every time before your meal, when you feel hungry. If you do it, you will burn more fat. Well, we did it.
If you follow my steps, I think you already finished this 4 minutes, 8 sets, high-intensity, efficient Tabata workout. If you want to have more ideas about workout routine, follow me. Subscribe my channel. See you tomorrow.